Yo. Let's get it, let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe, let's go. Back with another one, you know. As you can tell, man, the kitchen's fully active today. Extremely busy, but you know, that's what it's there for, innit? We're gonna do some liver.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Pre-seasoned with all the good seasonings. Yeah, come. Let me give you a closer look.
Nice.
It's gonna be a super quick one, so no long thing, no delay. Let me take you pot side and show you what's going on, show you what's going on, what's not. So we got, you know, the good old liver, good for the body, rich in iron, rich in vitamins, all of that. Been seasoned up with all the good herbs and spices. Nothing long, lightly seasoned as well. Minimal seasonings up in there.
What?
I'm the cow's liver. Very rich in iron. Like I said, man, I'm on that low fiber residue diet, and I need as much iron as I can. And as you can tell from the previous videos, the majority of the food is all easy digest foods as well. So stay tuned, trust the process. You just got dash them there in the pot. Get the pot. The aromas, the flavors, just smell it. Go and let it cook up. All the flavors, they're very potent. It's coming through nicely. Added a little water to it, so we're gonna keep all this goodness here, all of this here sauce, this gravy. Come on, man. You see it there? The fire's getting a real bad. Like I said, man, you know, long thing in the kitchen, man. It's quick and efficient with it. Go and let this cook down some more, and it's done. I said this is nice with some rice. However, I feel like some mashed potatoes today, so that's what I'm gonna mash it up with. Some mashed potatoes, should I say potatoes. Add a little water to it. Just go and let it cook down. And I'm just gonna lock it like this. Put an autopilot. Let it do its thing. Woo! Smoking. Right. Obviously, don't use your hands to do this, innit? Use your oven mints, man. Don't go burning yourself now. I ain't responsible for none of that. Nice sauce, a nice gravy for the mashed potato. Mashed potato, quick and fast, man. Simple, highly nutritious. A little bit of liquid Maggi in there. And we're almost ready. What you saying, Charles?
What's up, man?
Fire off. Pot. Woo! It's hot. I can't even do what we did earlier. See that? It's ready. It's ready for consumption now. You get me? So let me just show you what it's looking like, and then I'll do the mash a bit later. See it there? Liver. Highly nutritious, high in iron, high in everything that the body needs. You understand? But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and press that motherfucking bell button. Keep up with all the, you know, the happenings that's happening around here. Let's get it, let's go.